Good morning. Welcome to Tech Solutions. My name is Robert Diaz and I am the Human Resources Manager here.
Good morning, Robert. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to meet you today, and I really appreciate this opportunity.
The pleasure is mine. Do start the interview. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about your personal information? Which position are you applying for today?
Of course, my name is Arletaya. I am 25 years old, and I live here in the city. I am applying for the graphic designer position. I saw the job post on your website, and I think my profile matches what you are looking for because I love creating visual content.
Great. Let's talk about your education. Can you tell me about your studies and your academic background?
Yes, I studied graphic design at the National University and I graduated last year. During my time at university, I learned a lot about digital illustration, branding, and web design. I also took a special course in 3D modeling using ZBrush, which was a great experience.
That sounds interesting. Did you achieve anything special during your time at the university? What are your main academic or professional achievements?
Well, my biggest academic achievement was my final project. I designed a complete visual campaign for a local charity. My professor selected it as the best project of the year because it helped the charity increase its donation by 20%. Professionally, I also won a small poster design contest last semester.
Excellent work, Arlette. Now let's move on to your skills. What do you consider to be your main professional qualities and skills?
I am very creative and organized person. I can work under pressure and meet strict deadlines because I manage my time well. Regarding my theatrical skills, I can use Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and design perfectly. I can also edit videos, but I cannot develop complex software code yet. I always try to learn new tools quickly.
Perfect. Those skills are very important for this job. Let's talk about your work experience. Have you worked in this field before? What were your main responsibilities?
Yes, I have some experience for the past 6 months. I have worked as a junior designer at a small marketing agency. In that job, I created social media, graphics, and designed logos for different clients. I also collaborated with the marketing team to plan weekly campaigns. It was amazing experience, but now I want a new challenge.
I understand. Why do you want to leave your current job? And what do you expect from these new positions at Tech Solutions?
I want to leave because my current company is very small, so there are not many opportunities to grow. I expected to develop my professional career here. I know Teach Solutions work with international clients, so I want to contribute my creative to your big projects and learn from your senior design.
That is good to hear. We love ambition here. Where do you see yourself in the future? What are your goals or plans for the next few years?
In the next 2 years, I am going to study a master degree in digital marketing because I want to combine designs with strategy. I'm 5 years, I think I will become a lead designer or creative director. I am going to work very hard to achieve that goal.
You have very clear goals, Arlette. Will we are almost done? Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do. I have two questions. First, what does a typical day look like for the graphic design team in this company?
Good questions. A typical day starts with a short team meeting to organize tasks. Then our designers work on their projects, collaborate with the copywriters, and present draft designs to the clients. It is a very dynamic environment. What is your second question?
Thank you. My second question is, what are the next steps in the selection process?
We are interviewing candidates this week. Next week, we are going to call three finalists for a practical test, and then we will make the final decision. We will send you an email by Friday to let you know.
That is perfect. Thank you very much for your time and for answering my questions. I am very excited about this opportunity.
Thank you for coming today, Arlette. It was a pleasure talking to you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Robert. Have a great day too. Goodbye.